oyo ikinya riri ria guteithiriria kwagirithia utungata na uheani wa uteithio kuri ikundi itiganite na iria cibataritio ni uteithio na utungata wa honge ici cia githirikari.
Groups, women groups, youth groups, and groups that puts together persons living with disability. And if you look around in our county, we've had so many programs targeting these groups. And we also have got so many organizations running a program that targets these groups, from capacity building to availing grant to putting them into table banking concept, all this manner of engagement that has been happening. And as an office that concerns the same, in terms of my role, it is largely to support these groups that are vulnerable, that is the women, the youth, children, elderly, and the persons living with disability. I felt it's important for me to pull together these partners and listen to what they are doing. Because from where I sit, I believe as much as we have so much resources channeled towards space, there is lack of proper coordination, and there is lack of synergy to reach out to as many groups as possible and also to have impact. So for me,